Hi, I'm Brianna with IT Supplies. One of the things that is so fun about dye sublimation is the variety of things that you can sublimate to. Oftentimes we talk about sublimating to hard substrates like drinkware, plaques, accessories, wood, and metal. Or we look at textiles like apparel, bags, shoes, and home decor. You get the idea. The list is long when it comes to items you can sublimate to. In the last couple of years, a new product came to the sublimation market, a dye sub receptive film. This is a flexible film with no adhesive on it that we think could be an interesting offering in a few target markets. Keep watching to see our results and how it is used. Today I'm using Innova's SuperNova Chrome, which is a bright white film with a high gloss finish. We printed a galaxy type photo to stick with the SuperNova theme. The printer we used is Epson's latest dye sub printer, the F6470. We printed on Epson's DS photo transfer paper. To press the paper onto the film, you can use a rotary press or a flat heat press. Innova has recommended heat, pressure, and time settings on their website. We're going to do this film at 340 degrees for 2 minutes and 45 seconds. It is recommended to do a cold peel, so we'll have to wait a bit for it to cool from the press. The results came out really beautiful and crisp. The high gloss finish on the film gives it a metallic look. If you're watching this video, you probably know that sublimation metal can be costly, and not every customer wants to pay for it. We think that if this were to be mounted to a rigid substrate like gator board, dye bond, etc., it could be a cost-effective alternative to metal prints. Because it doesn't have any adhesive backing, a mounting film would have to be used, so that would add time to the finishing process. To give you an idea of the cost difference between a metal print and this film, I compared cost of a sheet this size, which is 16 by 20. One sheet of this SuperNova Chrome film costs about $6.50, while a sheet of Chromolux costs about $35. That's a difference of 81%. I want to point out a couple other cool things about this film. It is durable, water and tear resistant, scratch resistant. The coating is anti-graffiti and can withstand being cleaned with alcohol-based cleansers. This flexible material could be used for backlit displays, roller banners, and flexible signage. Innova is set to release a clear version of this film later this year, which opens up even more applications. If you want to give this SuperNova film a try, check out our website and order sheets or rolls. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below, as we would love to hear what you think this could be used for. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.